You are here because I mentioned never study data analytics when everybody are saying go and do data analytics, right? Here in this 10-minute session, I'm going to reveal why did I say not to focus on data analytics in 2024. All right. This is going to be a 10 minutes free career guidance session for you all to understand the clarity before you make your career in data analytics. Let me share my screen quickly. Hope my screen is visible to everybody, right? So here I just mentioned, if you're focusing on data analyst as your first job, or if you are planning to make a career from any non-IT background into the field of data analytics with 5 years of non-IT background, 2 years, 3 years in 2024, or even in future, this session is for you. Please do not skip this. You will have the important points to learn from this. Okay, so this is going to be a 10 minutes free career guidance. Let me start this point. So if you get selected as a data analyst, there are four main responsibilities you're going to have. First thing is a data set is going to be provided to you in an Excel format or mostly in Excel or CSV format. So when a data set is given to you, you are responsible to pull out insights from this particular data. All right. So insights means what? Let's say you are provided with the sales data set. All right. So you need to ask relevant questions. When did the sales happen? Well, during the winter time, summer time. Which kind of customers are giving good profit? What is the minimum price range, maximum price range? What is the duration that they are actually buying this particular product? In this way, you need to ask many relevant questions to this data and put a lot of time and ask, and you need to make use of some tools like Excel formulas, SQL, all right, even Python programming and Power BI, Tableau, so that you will be pulling out many insights from the data and you'll be predicting something when how the sales will happen. Well, what are the products that we have to invest? You'll be predicting to some extent when a data set is given using the tools which I've already mentioned. The third important point is you will be doing some automation. Sir, what does this mean by automation? Let me give you a scenario. All right, imagine I've hired you and I've given you a responsibility. Hey, I want you to send 10,000 emails to 10,000 customers, uh, saying that, hey, for example, you need to write a mail to me. Hey, John, your outstanding bill amount is 500 rupees. Due date is this. Like this, you just need to change the body of the message is same, but name is going to be different for the second customer. Due date is going to be different. Outstanding balance is going to be different. Now, how much time are you going to take to send emails for 10,000 customers? If you do not go back, if you do not understand, just go back, understand the question more. How much time do you think sending one email, writing and changing the name, outstanding balance, due date, because only three things is getting changed: name, outstanding amount, and third thing is what? Due date. Only these things are getting changed, except the body of the message is same. So if you take manually and open up email and everything, it is going to take a lot of time. So as a data analyst, what you are going to do in a company, if there is a particular process of sending bulk emails and anything, you will be using some tools called as macros, VBA. This is the exact tool what we use, and we will be preparing an Excel sheet by taking 10,000 customers, preparing like name, email ID, due date and everything, and then emails is going to be pushed at one shot. Okay, and you'll be writing code in the macros, which is also available in the Excel sheet itself. And you'll be writing, so data analyst, you will be writing codes in macros. That was happened. All right. And fourth important point is presentation. So whatever the insights and the predictions that you're going to take, you need to present it with a PowerPoint or Tableau or Power BI. You need to present it to the business person, all right, or to your team lead or to the client. So this is the four main roles and responsibility of a data analyst. Hope you are clear till here. Now the important point comes. This is the same I used to teach, but not now. All right. Why? Because data analyst jobs has been automated using AI tools. All this first representation anyway we have to make it. Even today AI is also making it, but to go to the client, mostly lot of time manually we have to invest by looking into the data, pulling out the insights, prediction, automation. But today, by making use of lot of AI tools, we can complete this process very quickly. How is that possible? I'm going to quickly show you. Do not miss this. Just completely watch this. You need to understand this. This is one sales data set, all right, where you have 3,000 rows, all right, 3,000 observation, and from A to, all right, column. Let's count it. A to Y means 26 alphabets in English, so there are 25 columns. So you have 25 columns, and your client wants to pull out some insight from this. So you need to receive this data and understand what are the data sets around it. It takes a lot of time and few weeks and months to pull up, give the insights to this. Now what I'm doing, this Excel sheet, I'm just going to give it to this particular AI tool called as abacus.ai, which is nothing but which is also having chat GPT, sorry, GPT-4 model. All right, so that is the LLM model. So I'm just going to add this particular, upload this file, all right, sales file into this, and I'm going to ask this question: act as a 5 years experienced data analyst and provide insights with prediction to report it to my client. Provide, let's say 20 insights to which to report to my client, which he might not be aware of aware of to provide more value, something. All right, I'm just writing it. So this is the prompt. Now I've given this particular sheet, and I'm just asking this open AI's model to provide me. See this, now it is giving me insights. What, which is the top product line? Classic cars are the most top products sold. High value order price, orders for classic cars and trunks. So without doing any analysis, without performing any data cleaning, so it is giving me all these particular parts, which is nothing but what? Who will do this? Data analyst, you are going to do this. Now, with respect to this AI tool, I'm able to ask these questions and see this order line, and even I can dig more and I can ask relevant predictions. So increased demand in quarter four. Quarter fourth, Q4 is nothing but mostly these are all the little bit of predictions. Data analyst, you are going to do that. So see this 20 predict growth in EMA market. This is one particular product with frequent orders from this country. EMEA market is likely to grow further. Data analyst, you are doing this. All right. See how many great insights. How many minutes? Your 2 weeks or 1 month of effort. I've taken it within 1 minute. Now, where is the job of data analyst? See, my point is not all about not asking you to go and learn Excel. You need to learn Excel. Yes, SQL. Yes, you need to. That's what even I'm in my Instagram and everything. I'm just talking about. Learn it. But job opportunities when you're studying a technologies, what is the job opportunities with respect to this? What is the career growth with respect? Why many are jobless outside by taking it? Because you are seeing with respect to your lens by taking data analyst, because it is involving no not much coding. I can easily get into IT. Now, where is the job opportunities here? In front of you, I've proved it. Insights for prediction is done. Now, the same thing I can ask another point. What are the charts? What are the charts to be picked to present these findings to my client? All right, I'm just going to ask this. So it will again analyzing the documents and it will give me the charts. All right. See this bar charts display the number product line. It will give me X, X, Y, axis. I can ask a lot of things and it can do this. Now, without knowing all these tools, I can do this by just prompting. Definitely, if I'm able to know Excel and everything well, I can do better data analysis. So data analysis, simple data analysis is gone. Now to perform better data, of course, I should learn this particular tool, but I should know to perform this data analysis to the different level. Okay, this is one example. All right. So, and also here you can prepare an Excel sheet in your, what is that, in your normal Excel, name, email ID, due date, and outstanding bill amount. And you can ask, hey, write a macros code where I'm having this 4 columns, or you can upload the document here, write a macro where I can automate it. It will do this. Simple. And within fraction of a second, no waiting time. That is why I've said we are living in 2024. Please, I never say I'm a person who would have never said in 2022 or before 2020 the same statement. I would have encouraged you, but only this time I'm saying it because future, most of the jobs are getting automated. Please try to invest your time or money or whatever and learn things advanced. Never only go with the basic knowledge. Only with the basic knowledge, nobody can hire you. Please, only with advanced knowledge and everything properly you need to be trained. You can't say that I said I've studied data science but no jobs. No, you have not learned properly. You never know a lot of stuffs. All right. So now let me go. But this is the main reason I said why not to focus on data analytics. All right. Now let me go back. That's why I said a data analyst works automated using AI tools. Rather consider becoming data scientist because what is the proof? Who is a data scientist? I am a data. I've worked as a data scientist. I'm the one who performed all these operations in front of you, right? As a data scientist, understand this. I can work as data analyst. I can work as a data scientist. Two in one role. That's what data scientist. So as a data scientist, first phase is data analysis work we can do. Second phase is data scientist work we can do. All right. So now the point is, most of the people are saying one first to become a data analyst, then become no. I can show you multiple proofs to you where I've helped a lot of people to make their career as a fresher as a data scientist, and particularly many who are watching to make a career transition into data analyst field. Seriously, you need to think a lot. This is very serious. Hope my time is done, but I'll just quickly do this. What is the proof? I am the proof. As a data scientist, I worked as data scientist. A lot of other data analysts also worked on data analyst subjects also I used to teach, but now I've stopped this, focusing only on this because when something is having a future, only that I can talk. Again, my point is trying to understand. I'm not asking you to stop learning SQL, Excel, and everything. You can learn, but when you're expecting a job opportunities outside, go and you can just type it on Google. What, and also I'll just quickly show you this. All right, I'm just going to open Google here in front of you. I'm going to ask this top trending technologies in 2024. Just see this. So in some technologies trending, accordingly, you need to make a career. Where is data analyst here? And this is now, it is not John telling, it is from multiple sources of web I've just taken. Where is data analyst here? If you're able to make a career in any one of the technologies mentioned here by properly trained under a coach, not with certification. Certification fine, but find a coach, get trained one-on-one or get mentored one-on-one. That's when you will have a greater scope because you are a fresher, you don't know anything here. A lot of competition is happening. So that is what I recommend. One-on-one mentorship with any technologies here, you can definitely go. All right. So that is one here. If you wanted to get any guidance here, we are expertised at artificial intelligence and this one data science. This is what we are expertised at. If you're interested in this, yeah, consider you can book a call, free call. Sorry, the number is given below. You can reach out to my team, and my team will be sending you the link to book a call. All right. So business, what is that? Generative AI, so adaptive AI, business intelligence. So these are all the things where we are mostly working on. We are building a lot of products, AI products, and everything within our organization. Well, first to talk, our team, me and my team will be talking, and we can give you the chance to have a call with us. You can see the number given in the captions, sorry, in the description below, and you can reach out to my team. All right, fine. Let me just go back to the presentation here and let me quickly complete. So I wanted to ask this question. Whom do you hire if you are 10 years experienced professional for a data analyst operations or data analyst work? Now imagine you have 10 years of work experience. Okay. Now you know how, if you're 10 years, you're sustaining the market, you should know how market is growing, or else you will be already out of the date. Now you're opening up a position, data analyst, two positions, data analyst, data scientist. Whom do you hire for the data analyst work? Data scientist, why? Because your answer is, sir, just now you said, as a data scientist, he can perform data analyst and data scientist work. Of course, that's why I'm telling everybody, stop learning, sorry, stop going for a data analyst job position. Rather learn the skills, but focus on the job title data scientist where you can apply and you will have a secure career. Hope this helps. If you need any career consultation related to this, the number is given in the description. We can send a WhatsApp message or you can call to that number. My team would be helping you out to book a call directly with me and with my team. All right. Cheers. All the best. Bye.